the branch.
Why is
So
it?
that shit moved.
Are you serious?
All of us have heard something.
Yeah.
So we can't ignore that.
Constructed in 1930 as a tuberculosis treatment center for Dane County, the Lakeview Sanatorium has come to be known for its strange happenings. People have reported cold spots, unexplained mists, and the feeling of being watched in the woods behind the sanitarium. A place where possibly nefarious acts have led to paranormal activity. People who walk through here report hearing voices, and some even say that they've captured recordings. Now, why are we going here? Stories say that the giant smokestacks up here were actually the outlets of a crematorium where bodies of deceased patients were burned. So, we're going here to find out if this place is actually haunted or if it's just another fake story.
This video series is like this is gonna have a home movie theme. We're in a haunted place, Sanatorium Hill.
Blair Witch Project 2.
Exactly.
There were no directions given on Google Maps, so we just had to figure out where to go on our own.
Hey, that view looks nice. It's nice. The sun setting at the back. Is that the sun? That's not the sun. That's a fucking light. Never mind. Put your location on. What? Oh yeah, share it with one of them just in case. Share it with them. Just in case.
What's up?
What?
Okay, I found it. Where's the cemetery?
Why is this cordoned off?
Luke
Is
in the
this
Luke's
cordoned-
cult.
Yo, what is this?
It's not burial ground, maybe. I don't know. Hey, that looks like a goalpost.
Yeah, exactly. Okay.
Wait. Remains of fencing are the foundation of a hog facility that operates here. Hey, boys.
Hell.
That's what I thought it said. It doesn't say hell. What is? Believe me, these two wouldn't be here if it said hell.
It looks like 880.
Wait.
Or 800.
Once I can clear the leaves off then. All go to. What is that? Seiko?
There's an anarchy sign there.
I just want to feel something creepy, bro. Like,
You want to believe it
Looking
now,
for-
that's true. But
What do you say?
Once I'm never coming.
I saw something near the woods.
It's a deer there.
No, actually.
what the fuck is this?
It's a chopped deer. Huh, interesting. Let's follow the path so we can reach it.
What path?
Wait, the same path we were on.
We went
One
down
second.
to the-
If anybody has a weird feeling that they're being followed, I thought someone was sitting on this. Yeah, bro.
So from behind.
Keep looking back at it.
Huh? We're not splitting up. That's a dump.
None of that Scooby-Doo shit. Let's fucking go.
But then Scooby-Doo always. Oh wait, we can go to that house.
No, I heard something from behind.
No, I used to look back to that.
No, there's something here, bro. Once your battery dies or like gets halfway, we'll swap out.
Yeah, okay.
We might be out here for a while.
Yeah.
What time is it, buddy?
But just remember the way we go. On the intersection, we take the left.
Okay, the code word is cuckoo. If you don't get a response, that means someone's dead. Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
That's it.
I mean, I was already dead.
Guys,
Wait. Turn on the light.
what? That's just branches.
Yeah.
Bruh. Why is
So
it?
that shit moved.
Are you serious?
I'm pointing the light at it once. We can't still see.
Yeah, if it doesn't move and lights pointed at it, there's nothing.
Yeah, use your thingy.
But if it doesn't move and lights pointed at it, there's nothing. Keep your eye on.
Fuck it.
What the fuck is that?
I don't see it.
It's like the thing when I thought I saw something on the channel.
Bro, once you're
Wait.
Bro, once you're Bro, once you're
Behind.
Oh, it's fucking weird, dude. I'm hearing it like
All behind us.
yeah.
It's so
Yeah, we're in a forest.
I'm not hearing jack
Dude,
shit.
it's just us. Yeah, but there's also weird in there.
Guys, just
tree or something. You just like started off into the I heard the
Yeah. Let's go back.
I just heard it for a long ass time.
wait, stop then, stop. I can't hear anything.
Now it's the fucking
No, I'm
car.
not hearing anything.
No, now these are the fucking cars. But before I heard like a long ass.
Let's hear something, bro. Let's try and
Yo,
hear.
let's. Yeah, exactly.
There's a cemetery.
Really? Yeah. Oh fuck yes. Chal. Fuck.
That is where they saw the ghost.
Is that drums?
Notice the two lights on the tombstone over there. That wasn't there before. It's just something I noticed while editing this. I'm not sure what to make of it because tombstones are not reflective by nature, so I don't know how to explain this.
Good, how are you?
Oh, really?
Why not?
Oh, sorry about that.
Sorry.
Oh, we'll go right back.
Okay. There's a chance that this all may be his land, but it's unlikely. But it's probably.
No.
Because he's next to like 3 other houses.
No, the whole park cannot be his. One man cannot buy the whole.
No, but like there can be like a community secretary or something.
Yeah.
Something like that.
No, because if he said,
the thing is, I've had to call cops on people, then I don't think people would show up here, they'd show up there, right?
Yeah.
Wouldn't they? Like they would.
We ran into the same man again who told us a little more about the history of the cemetery.
History back here.
oh really?
Yeah, we heard about that.
Yeah, the cemetery, most people that are buried here like founded this part of Madison and like Westport, the county, and like north side of Madison. Like a lot of the names back there on the headstones are like there's streets named after these people. It's a really old place. There's one person that was born back here in 1778 and died in like 1860. So it just puts in perspective, like it's really kind of cool. Yeah.
Can we go up inside? Yeah, is the hill open?
Where?
The woods?
Are we allowed to be in the forest?
I think you can be in the park until 10.
After hearing what the man had to say, we decided to explore the woods further rather than exploring the cemetery.
So एक काम करते हैं ना तो वापस if we go through the woods.
And anyway, he said you can't be there after dark.
If we go through the woods and we still stick to what the leftmost side is.
Aside from what the man said, we did do some research about the place on our own though.
Yeah, so he basically said there was a car following them around for like 30 minutes when on their way to this place, and when they walked in, they felt like multiple cold spots within the woods. When they came close to the cemetery, they heard noises around them and they felt like somebody was following them. Then also when they went back to the woods, they heard more noises. And what else did he write?
And we hear noises.
Maybe they should go to the police.
What?
Like that's a stalker. Like a car followed them around. And
Multiple people have said that this place has a very creepy aura around it, and yeah, most of it is just noises, and a few of them have seen shit.
Oh, well. On top of illuminating the front, just keep looking straight.
Yeah.
You heard that?
Sorry. It's a fake bag. Oh.
All of us have heard something.
Yeah.
You can't ignore that.
Heard what?
Both of us heard some chick talking, or like, I don't know. It was a weird sound. Huh? It was a high-pitched noise basically. And then I heard that growling sound multiple times.
Okay. I heard a woman laugh twice.
Yeah, so we heard a high-pitched noise. I don't know if it was a woman or...
I not heard a single chick.
I guess I'm the lucky
growling.
Bro, same.
I mean, what we can do is we can just like go out to stay quiet for 2 minutes and just look around.
No, that's
Let me put a timer.
No, it's not.
I hear shit. I just heard cars.
Small distant scream. Now I don't know if I'm brain
just-
making
I
shit up or like
Although we didn't find any concrete evidence that the Lakeview Sanitarium is haunted, all of us did feel that there was something off about the place. Maybe if we come next time without a camera, we might experience something. But until then, it's safe to say that this was definitely an adventure to remember. See you next week.